Good. Okay. Uy, what are you doing? Mama's working now.
Mommy.
Uy, no anak. That's dirty. Hunter, why don't you understand? Dirty.
Higa.
Sige. One moment. Where is the tissue? Come on, sit. Kamusin nga muna.
No. Mommy. Mommy. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Mommy. Oh no, mommy, that. Mommy.
What? No.
Mommy, more that.
No. Do you want biscuits or something?
Mommy, more that acid. Mommy. No.
Do you want grapes? Oh, grapes na lang.
No.
What do you want? What? You don't want grapes? You don't want... Do you want grapes?
No.
Okay, fine.
I forgot.
You finish your ice cream first?
Mommy.
Yes.
Mom, don't finish.
Ah, okay. Do you want Mama to wipe that?
Okay.
Okay. Ayan na naman tayo. I told you don't eat it. Yeah? Do you understand, Mama?
Okay.
You are always okay, but you're not